Hello everybody and happy users of Asus zephyrus. I hope this quick solution will help to many of you who had the same problem with the speakers. It's happened to my laptop, I think, few months after I bought it. The sound got disaster. It started to make a lot of noise, and I've been 1 year using this laptop as is, and didn't try to manage it because I use it Bluetooth speaker connected to the laptop all the time. But now lately I started to having long rides with the trains, and I like to use my laptop sometimes without headphones to just quickly listening some information from tutorials or whatever. And I realized that I really must to do something with the sound. So I started to looking for solution in internet. First of all I discovered some crazy thing about this Dolby extension for the Asus, which you have in the settings setup. You need to go to the speaker and where it was, it's upside down. Let me see, system, the speaker sound, and then you go to device properties, and here you can find configuration, and here you can adjust the volume, but it was still horrible. So I found another YouTube video where the guy are disassembling the laptop, and he has a problem with the port actually. So it was enough for me to realize that I can simply open the laptop and find out how to reach to the speakers. And what I realized in my case, it was something different. It happened to me to work in my workshop with the metal, and there probably was some metal powder on the table. So this speakers has a huge magnets on them, and the powder got under this black sticker that you see on the top. I don't know if it's magnetic sticker or something. So first what I did, I almost gave up on the speaker. So I took this plastic tool and I accurately cleaned it up from under the edge, and I realized that there was a lot of little powder, so I cleaned it up with the brush. Then I took the speaker out and made some even clearer, accurater job to get the most of the powder out. And after, what I realized that the membrane of the speaker got its stick to the bottom surface of the device. And what I did, I took the tiny pincetta, whatever you call it, and I managed to lift it up a little bit, and immediately I heard the improvement on the sound. But after I released the membrane, it fell down and stick back to the bottom surface. And I realized that I need to find some solution, and still I was about to order the new speaker, so I went some hard solution. I took my instant glue, super glue, 3-second glue, whatever, and I took a tiny drop on the end of my knife, and while I lifted the membrane up, I attached the two little drops from the both sides. I'm sorry for my shitty video. I am not a professional blogger or something, but I just realized that it might help to many of you, so I'm doing it for your fun. So I added a little drop of the glue from one side and from another side, tiny amount of glue to make this plastic surrounding area stronger. And look what I've got. The sound are brilliant. It wasn't sound like this when I bought it, I think. So now I'm just playing this video that helped me to find the problem.
This unit is
It sounds
better than the
amazing.
previous unit, to be honest with you. My previous unit had problem with the speakers. This one is okay. The screen
The
is
bass is
okay
great.
also. No burn-in, nothing else happening here. But today I'm going to talk about one
And
specific thing, which is
yes, so the second speaker, as you see, I didn't fix it yet. It's kind of working. It's not in the perfect condition also. And as you see, it's not straight. It stays on the side, like not really aligned with the surface. So it's partly stick to the bottom. And if you see, I can accurately take it up a little bit, and this is what's improving the quality actually. So first try to clean from behind, from the under the edges, to get to make sure that there is no some metal powders. And you see here this thing caused the speakers got ruined, and if you get rid of it, it sounds much better. And this is strange that this protection are not protecting from these particles, but that's what we've got. I hope this is gonna help you guys, and enjoy the good sound.